Hi, I'm Fatima Al-Shirawi, founder of The Gracious F. Gracious F is a color consulting company. We help individuals on a personal level, on their homes and their interior, their businesses, and also on an educational level. The Gracious F is all about color, how to use color psychology in their daily lives to change their moods, communicate with people, and how to enhance your business. What we do today is we're going to teach you how to use these colors, know what colors will make you stand out in your Ramadan gatherings, know which style suits your personality, and what colors enhance you, whether it is what you wear or the color of the makeup you have on or even the jewelry. So this collaboration is to support our D3 community and support our local designers and GCC designers, where we have handpicked each designer on their unique concept, on their unique inspiration behind their collection. And the reason why we all get together is our love for creativity and fashion. We inspire to have more of these events in order to learn more about what is needed in the fashion community in the UAE or GCC, and also to help local designers build their brand to have it as an international brand that is sustainable. The motto of the Gracious F is finding your true self. And your true self only comes when you're comfortable with your own personality, when you know how to control certain situations, and you vibrate with the beautiful colors that surround you. We hope that we conclude this lovely event with amazing relationships with all our designers. We create a beautiful friendship in our community. And finally, the motto for all of us is to save the world and make it a better place.